Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
Alright guys, what is going on? We are back at Cecil County Dragway. Oh, I had to play my camera real quick. We're back at Cecil County Dragway. Yes, we are officially running 10s in the truck. Better weather than last time. Same tune, nothing has changed on the tune or anything like that. Just a little bit better weather. We are a little bit heavier because we got new front skinnies on. Our other ones were just, we had the Hoosiers on, which actually I gave to Don, but they were just not holding up the weight of the truck. So now we got Sportsman SRs. They are heavier, but shouldn't make too much of a difference. Really hoping that we can pop off a 10.7 maybe, but if not, I'll be happy with anything in a 10, so I'll be happy. Same tune, nothing's changed, everything's great. Just get out there, make some passes, and hopefully maybe find a good race to have today. We might run Don, I don't know. I might try and find a better, closer race. He's running 9, so it's really like, you know. But yeah, guys, so that's what we're doing today. Have some fun, looking for some races to get some content, guys. So, I'll talk to you soon. Peace. All right, guys, first pass, we definitely spun pretty good. So, so let's see what the pass is. I think the draggy said like 11.0. Made it crack the 10. We spun pretty good though, so thank you. We spun bad. 170 60 foot, and we still did 11.0. All right, no big deal. No big deal though. It's all right. Get out there, make another pass. Terrible friggin' man, terrible. Spinning at 170 60 foot. All right. Well, hopefully we can drop that back down into the 1.5s, low 1.5s, and get back into the 10s. It was 11.0, right? Yeah, 11.0 something, 11.0 something, yeah. No biggie. Hey, we're having some fun. 11.0. Hopefully we get a better pass next time. Might try the left lane next time, guys, and go from there. All right, let's get another pass. Guys, we just had just had pass number 2. Spun again, but it looked a little bit better. I don't think it was as bad of a spin. So the draggy said 11.0. So let's see what the slip says. Looks like it felt like a better pass. Still spun though. Thank you. Actually, we spun worse. We spun worse, but we ran another 11 out. 717, 717, 11 0, 120, 744. God, we got to get that 60 foot back there. Yo, if we get that 60 foot back where it was last time we were here, lower 1.5s, we get 11. We got 10 sevens in this thing easily. But our mile an hour is right back here, 127.44. Great mile an hour. It's good weather. So I'll tell you, man, it's got a 10.7 in it today. If we can get it, we can hook up nice. Just spinning a little bit, so hopefully we get back out and make another pass. Well, we are going to make another pass. Get back out, make another pass, and get a 10. 11 O's suck. I'm like the king of 11 O's. So we're going to try and, I was supposed to try the left lane, but they put me in the right lane because I jumped around. I got 2 back-to-back passes pretty quick. I jumped ahead of some people. And they're like, how'd you get 2 passes, man? That's where they put me. I just went back. It's packed here, so hopefully I can, I don't know if there's any cool off, but it's gonna get packed. So I may take a little break and then get back at it, guys. Don't know what that was, but we hooked so good we hit the limiter in first gear. It was a bad run. I do know that. So, thank you. Yeah. Good hook too. 158. Hooked in first, hit limiter, and bam. Oh, that was a 10. That could have been a 10.7, guys. I don't know why. Oh, man. Don't know. Don't know why it hit limiter. I'm a little upset about it. I got to talk to Jay. Let's see what's going on. But, yeah. 158.60. They prepped really good. We dead hooked, and we... Like, the 158, yeah, it would have been probably a 1... Oh, man, that probably could have been a 1.4 if we didn't hit limiter. Because it hits limiter right before the 60, and that's where it kills about a 10. Ah, man, I'm upset. It sucks. All right, guys. Yeah, 13.4. I actually got back in it and finished the quarter mile. Usually I just drift through it, but I wanted to see it. Ah, man, that sucks. Well, guys, that's our last pass of the day, and get back with you in a minute or two once I get everything loaded up and on my way home. All right, guys. Well, just left the track. We had 3 passes. First two we spun, and the next one we hooked so hard, shifted great, and then hit limiter again. So I don't know. Do I ever know? I don't know what's going on, but they prepped the track, and a lot of people were having spinning issues all day. So they prepped the track. 2 guys in front of me just did wheel stands, and they hooked up so good. So I was like, yeah. So did my run. I dead hooked, bam, hit the limiter. So hooked so hard, shifted in the first, and wouldn't make that shift. Guys, I was probably a 10.6, 10.7. That would have been my best run ever by far. By far. Because we're already in way better weather than we were. Not way better, but we are in better weather than we were last time. And, you know, it is what it is. I hit the limiter. Hopefully we can figure that out again and not keep having the same issue like we did. But, yeah. Just wish I would have got a 10. No 10s today. But, you know, we ran 10s already, so I'm not that upset about that. Just upset that we had a great pass that we had limiter on. And the other 2 passes were good passes. We just spun out of first. So, yeah, what can you do? Racing's racing, guys. Just sucks. But, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace.